Inside voice, nice and low, soft and calm, nice and slow. In the class, in the room, use your voice, not a boom. Can you whisper with me? Inside voice, soft and sweet. Outside voice, loud with the beat. Know the time, know the place. Use the right voice every day. Play outside, shout hooray. That's the outside voice way. In the house or at school, quiet voice is super cool. Inside voice, soft and sweet. Outside voice, loud with the beat. Know the time, know the place. Use the right voice every day. Can you whisper? So low. Can you shout? Hey, let it go. Soft voice here, loud voice there. Use the right voice everywhere. Inside voice, calm and kind. Outside voice, strong and bright. Morning, school, or time to play. Use the right voice every day. Inside, outside, and now you know when to be loud, when to be low. Inside voice or outside voice. Great job choosing the right voice. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.